What's your grandma's doing?
And you got 2 branches?
Well, no, cut 2 pieces down. We'll just put them together.
Why do we need such a big tree?
That's not very big.
Yeah,
And
really
you
big.
thought you were going to put it up
Get the
there?
chainsaw.
No.
This little piece? Sure.
Yeah, from the ceiling.
I don't want any.
I'll measure.
Sean, there's some
What is
fries
it?
left.
What is that?
Not yours. You want some French fries or some left?
Okay, hang on.
No. The girls ate your hamburger.
55.
Okay.
This one.
I want to eat it.
There's some left on the table. Sit down and
A
eat
little
it.
bit long.
Here.
Wait.
Steve, popcorn.
Oh, is that that?
City slicker. Yeah, no muscles left.
These things that come in
It's
sacks.
there, Sam.
Come here. Can you make this Jojo?
No. That's David.
Those Zeta fruits. Later.
You like fries? You like fries, Chels?
You like fries? Oh, my
Yeah,
football.
Chelsea hasn't eaten her dinner yet.
Here,
Chelsea.
thing on.
Hop up. You want some French fries? Wait, that's
Oh, my
here.
football shirt on.
Your football shirt. You want your new shirt on from Sunny?
Oh, you're so warm.
You want that shirt on?
Turn on.
We're gonna put this.
Here's Sammy.
You can say frosted soda.
We're done.
Honey.
Yeah.
Is there
Okay.
popcorn on it?
Oh, we did her.
Irish. Hang it on,
Hey,
Chelsea.
Sean, you eating the popcorn?
Got the popcorn. You help me with that one? Good job. Here. Get it open like this one. Here. Come on, open it up.
And one more.
And see, then hang it open like that.
Where's
Good job.
Oh, well.
Okay, Sean, where's the other stuff? Look at all these. Look at all the ducks. Look at that. Find the string. Okay, hang it over.
I need nest ring.
Chelsea, we got enough string. Come here. Take a different one. I'll fix it later. Come here. Should I help? I'll help you.
See, look at mine. That's a good job.
Oh, that's a good job. Here, Chelsea. Here. Here's a hole that you hang over the plate. Okay, try that one. Wait, put it over here. Put it over here, right here.
This has got a
Good
bad
spot.
one.
Okay. Can Sean have one? Okay. Here, you put this one on. Chelsea, this one's for you. Put that one on. Here, here's a hole. See? Hang it over a branch. Good
What?
job.
This is going to play hard.
There. He's hanging. Here's a pig. Where do you put the pig? Where do you put the pig?
I got
Here?
a pig.
Right here. Open up the
Oh,
hole.
I can't put it in.
You want help? No, no.
Yeah.
Okay, Sarah. Sarah, look here. Smile. Sammy, put your hands down. Sarah. Come on. Okay, come on. Oh, that's it. Come on, Sarah. Kim,
Smile.
tell him what to do.
Sarah. Sarah.
Get your hand down. Oh, there. Hand down. Put it like this. Do that. Come on. Sarah, put your hand down.
Put your hand out, Sarah. Well, high five.
Okay, Sarah, look here. Sammy, look here.
Sammy.
Chelsea, look.
Sarah. Sam. Hi. Can you smile? Say cheese. Say pooh.
Oh, don't. That's all day long. Reading letters from children all over the world. Sit down, Sarah. Okay. His helpers. What is his helpers called?
Wow.
They'll be ready waiting for him to pull his sleigh over the rooftops with sacks of toys. Look at all those toys. That's a toy. Which one is for you, do you think? So once a year at Christmas to all good girls and boys, Santa comes in the middle of the night to bring them lots of toys. Nice story?
We should pick up toys.
No, which one?
We'll pick up our toys.
Okay, now, what story is this? Two big dogs going up, and one little dog going down. So the green dog is up, the yellow dog is down. The blue dog is in, the red dog is out. Out. Right. One dog up in the house, three dogs playing. In the water.
Door.
Tell, see if he's there. Who is it?
Who is it? Oh, Merry Christmas! Ho, ho, Merry Christmas! Ho, ho! Wow. Hello, boys and girls. Thank you. Merry Christmas. Well, hello. Yeah, I left them on the road. Ho, ho, ho.
Who's he Santa, honey? Who's he? You want to see
Hello,
Santa?
what's your name?
That's Sarah.
That's Sarah. We gotta know their names.
Sarah don't want to
Ho,
see.
ho, ho.
Sarah Sammy.
Ho, ho, ho. Well, we'll find out. Who wants to sit on Santa's lap? There we go. We've been good, boy? What's your name?
Sean.
Sean. And what did you want for Christmas?
A race car.
A race car. Big race car.
I mean the fast ones.
Real fast. Okay, you gotta be careful on the ice.
Or else what happens on the ice, Sean? What happens?
You wanna sit by Santa?
You want to go by...
We all
Sarah,
sit by
Sarah,
Santa.
sit by
There.
Santa.
Yeah, take your shoes off.
What's your name?
You gotta get ready.
You gotta tell her what's her name.
Sarah, come on, go by Sarah.
Chelsea.
Well, what do you think?
No.
Christmas coming? Been good?
Come on.
She don't want
Sure.
Give him a hug.
Have to come a little early, huh?
Can you give him a hug? Huh? No, that's pushing it. Okay. You can't. Oh, no, you don't have to.
Give me a present.
You can. Whoa, wait now. Chelsea wants to sit on his lap. Chelsea wants to
Come sit by Santa. There we go. Well, how you been this year?
I know.
Blocks. Okay, that's a good. I'm sure you'll get your blocks.
Give him a kiss, Chelsea.
Give Santa a hug, huh? There. Betcha, Santa likes kisses.
You gotta smooch him up before you get your presents. So you get good ones.
Well, should we see what we got in here? Oh,
Oh, president.
yeah, no, we gotta get the names.
Chelsea.
That's Chelsea.
Which is Chelsea?
Where's Chelsea? There. Santa got more. Sean. You're Sean.
Who said thank you?
Thank you.
Oh, Sarah.
Sarah. This is it. There you go.
And that is Sam.
Oh, we're gonna.
What's your favorite?
What is
You all
it?
been good this year? You help, sure, you help Santa.
I'll do it.
You'll do it. Okay.
Who's it for?
Well, we gotta see who's for.
Look on the...
It's mine.
Okay, here we go.
No.
Here we look. We look.
That's...
Chelsea. It's from Santa, see? It's Chelsea.
You can help, Sean.
Merry Christmas.
Sean, you want to help? Help her.
Sure.
Don't feel me.
Oh, boy. Your
Now we look in
favorite.
here. There's
That's the mine. There's another one. Here, let me do this.
Sam.
Samson Blue.
Okay. Here you go.
Oh, that's cute. Oh,
What is it, Chelsea?
I can fly.
Oh, you got your blood.
Santa knew he wanted fly.
Yes. Gotta kiss his cheek. Ugh.
Yeah.
Sean, you want to give Santa his present now?
Is this it?
No, this is me. Chelsea, Chelsea, just here you
Thank you.
go. Chelsea,
Santa, give present. Shouldn't take present.
Chelsea, this is for Santa. Give him a big kiss. Thank him for the blocks.
There you go.
And what do you say?
Thank you.
Give him the box. Give him the present. Give him the present. Chelsea, Sean.
Have a Merry Christmas. You betcha. Merry Christmas. It's gonna be a good one. We're gonna get the bill. Santa's gotta go now.
Oh, going to other kids' houses.
Got a long night ahead.
He's gonna ride his reindeer.
Where's Rudolph?
Rudolph, we left by the road.
Okay.
Merry Christmas, everybody. Merry Christmas.
Thank you, my present.
You bet.
Thank you, Santa.
See you next year.
Bye.
Bye. Merry Christmas.
Bye.
Wow.
That much work, huh? Over there for Steve.
Okay.
But you can't open it until everybody get their present.
This one's pretty.
Here's 10 for Chelsea, but you can't open it yet.
Gotta
Wait
wait.
till you get everybody's. You get out of here. You sit. Here, we'll give you one. Just wait. To Pat from Kim. Now this is name drawing.
Yeah.
Okay, let's not get them mixed up there.
How do you know what's what?
Yeah, just wait, honey.
Keep going.
Just wait.
Samantha.
Is
That's
it marked on the
Chelsea.
box?
That's
Should I
Chelsea.
open them?
No, you wait. What? Name?
A goodie.
So-and-so,
Goodie.
so-and-so.
Yeah.
A
That's one.
goodie.
Who's this one to?
Chelsea.
That's to Tammy.
Oh, that's. Yeah.
You.
Chelsea, that one's yours too.
At least we know who the package shakers are around here. They're the ones. that
Here's
pick up
Chelsea.
the package. Who's what?
Well, babies, didn't you get anything?
That.
Boy, Chelsea's clearing up.
Here, honey, sit down. Sit down.
That one seemed awful light, so I figured I could throw it.
Who was that one? That was yours, Grandpa.
You got me.
Paul got it.
Who's this to? Oh, Stephen who? Stephen Holtzman? Patrick? Yeah, Stephen Holtzman, yeah.
Folks?
A goodie. Good. That's mine. Goodies. That's mine.
Samantha, Sammy.
Yours over there.
Sammy,
Here you go.
open it up.
I need mine.
Sean, you wait.
Here's Sarah.
Anybody know what this is?
That's to Pat.
Can I open them?
Oh, okay.
Can I open them all?
Yeah, let the kids.
Goodies.
Go ahead, Sean.
Yeah.
Yeah, open it up, Sean. Here's Chelsea from Santa Claus. Tammy.
bag. It's in the bag.
Tammy.
Another one for Cam.
What'd you say, Sean?
Wow, that's $2.
We got it. Be careful.
Movie.
This thing last
It's
year.
a
We didn't
movie.
get it.
A movie? What's the
Charlie, where's
movie?
your class?
Right over here.
Oh, over here, Cam.
Oh, okay. Let me see. Oh.
What is it?
How a Great Day Christmas.
Oh.
Look, watch it. Heck.
I own this.
Who's that for, Chelsea?
Sean?
Play-Doh. My favorite. Ooh, skin's so soft.
Help her with
Wow.
it. I think Bert Leffler got the
Who's
present.
that?
I was wondering. This is the most, and you made this? This is the most beautiful thing.
Is that a Barbie bed?
Yes, and the best spread,
Wow.
best spread that you have. Chelsea pajamas. Oh
No
my
name.
gosh. You gotta be really careful.
Yeah.
Oh.